The planet is restless. Disasters don't wait, and neither should you. This is Natural Moments, where nature's fury takes center stage. Stay alert. Stay prepared. Let's begin.
Si Sri Rasiga lang sa ngayon. Gagalangan kasi sa ngayon. As Chris. Nagambo gambo.
Cape Town was covered in ocean foam formed during a storm. But given that 2020 is in full swing, we wouldn't be surprised by snow.
Verás, Adri, cuando lo veas, ¿cómo te va a gustar?
Oh my god!
Diana!
Oh my god! I got it all on video, dude. Oh my god! I got it all on video.
Oh, good. I mean, I don't know if that's good.
Holy crap!
While the coronavirus is raging around the world, Jordan has been hit by a sandstorm. This is what Amman Airport looked like the day before. Wind gusts reached 110 kilometers per hour. According to meteorologists, the country is now expecting heavy precipitation. In the middle of summer, a heavy hailstorm left the town of Guadalajara, Mexico, covered in at least a meter of ice. Cars are completely under ice, and some buildings are completely destroyed. It all looks like the filming of some apocalyptic movie. Forest fire has started in the Turkish city of Bodrum. The fire broke out in the fields and then spread to the forest, media reports. The wind is causing the flames to spread faster through the forest, and authorities fear they could spread to private homes.
Doktorlar sitesine doğru ilerliyor.
Cats aren't happy. Like it almost looks like there's almost a second one going there.
I can see why these guys put them.
Holy crap, man. He's a Hummer. Pictures.
Storm Polly is raging in the Netherlands. Road, bus, and rail services have been disrupted in the country. More than 400 flights have been cancelled in Amsterdam. One death has been reported. Authorities are urging people not to leave their homes unless necessary and to postpone travel.
Дом ушел полностью, гостиница, что была на ущелье, ушла вниз, упала. Здесь ужас. Сейчас машины пытаемся назад отогнать все, чтобы мост разгрузить. Здесь как на реке.
The size of a chicken egg fell in several areas of Sochi. Car windows were broken, traffic was difficult on the roads. In the morning, 3 tornadoes formed over the sea in Tuapse.
Сочинский район.
A volcano has erupted in Iceland, southwest of Reykjavik, Agence France Presse reported. The eruption began on July 10 at 1640 local time, 1940 Moscow time, 30 kilometers from the Icelandic capital, in an uninhabited area near Mount Litli Hrútur.
An itibariyle Şanlıurfa Karakoyul gibi ayda da yerinden devirmiş. Şanlıurfa'ya acil yardım lazım. Yerinden yayıldı. Şehrin altyapısı olmadı mı böyle olur. Büyükşehir Belediye Başkanları, ilçe belediye başkanları AK Parti'nin alayı sizde zerre kadar hasiyet onur varsa istifayı verin. Bu şehrin altyapısını yapmadan torpil, rantla, vurgunla şehri yönettiniz. Allah topunuzun belasını versin.
Hep gidiyor olalım baş koş. Hep gidiyor. Neydi ya? Hep getiriyorlar.
Catastrophic consequences of the earthquake in Turkey. Roads are destroyed, cars are stuck in cracks.
Yarıklar oluşmuş.
The eruption of the Merapi volcano on the island of Java in Indonesia has begun. The lava flow reached a length of 1.5 barak kilometers. Indonesia's disaster management agency has banned residents of nearby areas from approaching the crater within 7 kilometers. Mount Merapi, at 2,910 m, is considered one of the most active volcanoes in Indonesia. Heavy snowfall also caused casualties in Japan. According to the latest data, 17 people died and more than 100 were injured due to bad weather. Heavy rainfall disrupted traffic and left tens of thousands of residents without electricity. A powerful snowstorm and almost zero visibility. This is what is happening now on the M4 Don in the Rostov region. There's practically no movement in the direction of Kamensk-Shakhtinsky, RT reports. The local traffic police department asks people to refrain from traveling in the coming hours. The Abiko volcano in the northern Kuril Islands has become active again. It has thrown ash to a height of 3.5 kilometers. There was no ashfall in Severokurilsk. There is no threat to the population, the Ministry of Emergency Situations reported. Footage from the local branch of the Federal Center Unified Geophysical Service of the Russian Academy of Sciences. Filmed after yesterday's emission. Ice floes floated to the shore of the Tatarka beach in Vladivostok as a result of a storm wind. Earlier, local residents shared footage of the bad weather on social networks. Vladivostok was covered in snow. Precipitation will continue for 2 days. Roads are partially blocked. A temporary restriction on entry and movement of heavy trucks in the city has been introduced.
Движение льдов продолжается.
the Shivaluk volcano has begun to erupt in Kamchatka. It is certainly beautiful, but the Ministry of Emergency Situations advised local residents to stay at least 15 kilometers away from the volcano if possible. Ashfall can cause severe allergies in people, as well as damage cars and other equipment. A state of emergency has been declared in Chile due to a fire in the resort town of Vina del Marche. More than 500 houses, including multi-story buildings, burned down. 2 people are known to have died, and the number of victims is still being determined. According to authorities, the fire initially began to spread in a forest area near the city, and there are now 3 large outbreaks.
Se va a quemar todo. Вот такая красота. Такой ветер. Вообще ветер. Ветрище. И вот на этом аппарате волшебном мы едем. Вот на этой. Не знаю, как это обозвать. Как это обозвать, не знаю. Полин, ты где?
In the Altai Mountains, they denied reports of a destructive mudslide that descended on the region, which allegedly cut off 15 houses from civilization. The Republic's authorities stated that there was a traffic jam in the Chaimau River bed, but the houses were not damaged, the residents were not injured, and passage was ensured. Portugal delighted and frightened me at the same time. A rare meteorological phenomenon called a roll cloud or thunderstorm collar, which covered 3 cities at once, became a harbinger of a powerful storm and hurricane. A rare natural phenomenon in the form of clouds that look like an approaching tsunami. So I looked out the window this morning and turned gray.
Look at this.
Snowstorm coming straight from the sea to Turkey that will hit Katalzydan. Kastamonu, Turkey.